The family plays a vital role, as the message said in that story. 29 health centers in Rusizi and Nyamasheke districts have received essential medical equipment worth more than 37.263 million, including a boat ambulance delivered to Hombo Health Center. The equipment was handed over by the Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Cyangugu, His Lordship Bishop Edward Sinayobye. News in detail. 29 health centers in Rusizi and Nyamasheke districts have received essential medical equipment worth 37.263 million, including a boat ambulance delivered to Hombo Health Center. The equipment was handed over by the Bishop of Catholic Diocese of Cyangugu, Bishop Edward Sinayobye, who urged the management of the health centers to take good care of the equipment and use it effectively to improve healthcare services for the communities they serve. The equipment was donated by BUFMAR to support health centers in Rusizi and Nyamasheke districts that collaborate with organizations with the aim of improving the quality of healthcare services provided to residents. At Ingombo Health Center, the boat ambulance was described as particularly important because of the geographical location of the facility. Previously, transporting patients requiring urgent medical attention to the shores of Lake Kivu and across the lake to reach healthcare facilities on the other side was a major challenge. The new boat ambulance is expected to help address this challenge and enable patients to access emergency medical services more quickly. A total of 29 health centers received essential medical equipment based on urgent needs they had identified. Health center managers said that although the equipment does not address all the challenges facing their facilities, it has helped to fill critical gaps and strengthened their capacity to provide healthcare services. Rusizi District Vice Mayor in charge of social affairs, Mukabalisa Francine, acknowledged that there are still shortages of basic medical equipment and healthcare workers in some health centers. However, she urged the healthcare providers to continue prioritizing patients and improving the quality of services they deliver. She thanked Bufmal for the support, describing the donated equipment as an important and much-needed contribution to the health centers. Bishop Edward Sinayobye of Catholic Diocese of Cyangugu and a member of Bufumar's board of directors expressed satisfaction that the health centers had received equipment they urgently needed. However, he urged the facilities to use the equipment properly and ensure that it contributes to better healthcare services for patients. Well, after a short commercial break,